plug in everything and see if we can figure out the problem is.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Scooter City ATV outlet at scooter-atvsales.com. We do have on our lift a Tao 125D.
I hope it's not the close.
Kids 110cc ATV in for its break-in service.
Which wire? No, that's just the antenna. Okay, never mind.
So it has about 10-15 hours on it.
I don't have it. I gotta actually walk up to the
The lift we use is the MC655R KNL. Definitely a really good lift. So if anybody needs a lift in their garage or their shop, definitely recommend this lift. We've been having it for a few years now. So it does have extensions, side extensions, as well as the ramp. So super reliable.
All right.
We got our lead tech, Adam, and we have our one of our new techs here, Kyle. So hey, Kyle, say hi.
Howdy, howdy.
And Adam. All right. And this is for smaller kids. It's loaded with safety features. It does have the parking brake feature here. Also the governor has the lanyard, on and off switches, push button start, key on and off switch, as well as the remote system here. So this with a fully charged battery, it's good to about 220 feet. All right, we're giving it a start. As part of the inspection, we do an initial safety check on it. That was the alarm. It does feature an alarm on it as well. Safety check, 10-hour break-in service. We go through the entire ATV, tighten all the nuts and bolts, replace and upgrade spark plug, NGK, fuel line, fuel filter, oils, chain lube. Tighten up the axle.
We'll try it.
These axle nuts here are important to tighten up. Rear disc, chain, hubs as well. We remove the wheels as well and check the cotter pins on the back. So that's our program for today. So that's what we're doing. We do have service and repair for all Chinese brands. Okay, guys. Again, come down and check us out. We got some cool sticker kits, actually. So we are definitely loading up for the holidays, as you can see. So again, 920 Matley Lane. We got these cool helmets out here for kids. These are package deals. These are spider helmets. We got the blue with flames on it. Pink helmets too for the girlies. So we got package deals, $79. Includes gloves and goggles, and we got, of course, the popular scooter helmets. We have those for $69.95. Got some cool locks too. This is the On Guard lock we have here for $49. When you purchase this lock, you register it On Guard, and they do provide you an additional insurance. It's a theft insurance, so you might want to check that out when you purchase these. Cable locks, we have gloves, and it gets cold here in Reno, Nevada, so we do have face masks for those that ride all year round. We do have a lot of customers that ride their vehicles, scooters, and motorcycles all year round. So silver in the ATM, we got blue, green, red, and we got the matte black. So, all right, 920 Matley Lane, number 6 in Reno. Number here is 775-856-3398, or check out our website. Is scooter-atvsales.com, or if you need parts, Chinese parts for Tao or universal parts, scooter-atvparts.com. We will see you guys soon.